What's going on, everybody? Just a really quick note at the beginning of this video. I apologize for the low FPS. It's just my recording or my editing software just really does not want to record at a high FPS at all. As well, if I sound a bit odd, I do suffer quite badly from hay fever, so just not badly, just I get hay fever, so my nose is completely blocked. So just if I sound any different in this video, that's why as well. Yeah, the recording software just messes around with FPS, so that's why, especially in the final clip, you'll see it's stuttering around the place. I really did try to fix this as best I could by trying different file formats. None of them worked, so yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll play the video now.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can tell by the title, will be another Wish unboxing video, but today I've just decided as a bit of a prefix to it to just, say I don't know what it is yet. I'm walking down to the post office now to collect it. I remember ordering a drone on Wish, which is still, it's a month away, so unless the delivery was early, I really don't know what this is. I don't check my order history that much, so yeah, I really don't think I can tell what it is. You'll probably know by the title. Maybe you will, maybe you won't, who knows. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a bit of a thing here. Said what I wanted to say. I'll talk again when I pick it up, and then I'll cut ahead to the unboxing. So for now, thank you for watching this segment, and roll the next. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to part 2 of this video, where I go to collect my post and then do an unboxing when I get back. And here's the package. It's actually 2 separate ones. I've read the description, so I know exactly what it is. These things were meant to arrive in January, both of them, so I really don't know why it took so long. At first I thought because some things on Wish, they just never even ship, and the tracking on it was all off and all that kind of stuff, so I assumed it was just, a fraudulent seller on Wish, as there are many of. But just crossing the road here, which is why I'm looking around. But basically, yeah, I thought it was just a fake seller at first, but now that both of them have arrived, I'd assumed there was an issue with shipping or something, or maybe production even. I'll definitely wear my face mask when I unbox them, maybe. I probably won't actually, but here the 2 packages are, both of them are the same, so I'll just unbox one on camera, the other one will be identical. That's that, so I will talk to you all in the next bit of this video. Roll the next clip. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to clip number 3 of this video. As I said, I will only unbox one of these things because, well, there's no point in unboxing both since they're identical. Now, I did cut it there myself, just with a key to make this slightly easier. And as I say, I should really actually get a stand or something that I can leave my phone on while I unbox it. Yeah, the reason I'm a bit out of breath here is I did have to run home the rest of the way after a while because it began raining and I didn't want my headphones getting destroyed by the rain, because honestly I couldn't care less about these things, because if you look at them you'll understand why. And they've been refunded because these things were meant to arrive in January-ish, both of them. So yeah, one of them was meant to arrive in January. It didn't. I got it refunded, ordered another one. Lightsabers. Yeah, so I'll just get that wrapping off there. Yeah. And I will show you. Don't know what this bit is. So I would assume the lightsaber bit goes, this bit here maybe screws in there. I assume this bit's meant to be on the inside, so that it lights up better. It just fell out, so I really have no idea what I'm doing setting these up, but they definitely need batteries as well. So yeah, so this is one toy lightsaber. You just press a button and it begins glowing, basically. There is a slight bit of damage there and there, already done before I even, and these packages haven't been dropped. They haven't, well, not by me anyway. I don't know what happened in shipping, but it wasn't by me, so Then we have this bit here, and I believe that's where this comes in. Maybe I just need to stick it in there, yeah, and then this lightsaber here can go on top. Give me a second off camera again, God. Yeah, so as I said, I ordered one of these. They were meant to arrive in June or January, should I say, and they didn't, to put it simply. So I ordered a second dual wield lightsaber, which is in that other packet over there, which you can see just out of focus, and that's the same basically. They should be identical. I actually forget what colour these are. I think they're only one set colour. Maybe they can change depending on how long you press the button for or something. But now, as you can see, a Darth Maul style lightsaber, dual bladed, and I need batteries for it to actually turn it on. So yeah, as I say, I do have two of these. It is quite long, as you can see as well. So I do have two of these for some reason. But yeah, so I don't know whether I need batteries in both of those sockets, in there and in there, or just in one. What I'm assuming is I just turn both of them on separately, and then they're just connected. They're not actually synchronized in any way. But this is going to be the final part of this video. I would like to thank you all for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and goodbye.